Right, we're going for a start up. To be fair, we've had a go at it earlier, but this is a proper go. So here we go. Hang on. Pump on. Ignition on.
Yeah. Throttle disconnected.
Ah. Right. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Here we go. Got ignition on? Got ignition on?
No, it's not that. It's full of fuel. It's pouring out, yeah?
Is it? Go on then.
No, you got a pump on?
No.
It is chucking it out everywhere. I ain't gonna start this up.
Oh, yep.
Too much fuel.
Yeah, well
Control.
that's no fuel in it all. Turbo overboost.
That's why I turned ignition off.
Yeah, I'll try again.
And again?
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll have this in the end. No throttle control.
Well, you gotta burn it out. It's not jammed, is it? Yeah, throttle's.
No, the throttle works, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
hang on,
he was down. He was down. He was it's full throttle. Right.
Something's throttling up.
Yes. I'll stop that a minute while we find out what's going on.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah.
Can't leave it running.
Got a slight problem there. The carburetor seems to be either flooding or the throttle is not set right. We'll work it out for later.